Hi, we're back. Today I'm recording with my JVC digital media camera. Wait a second, I'll light up a fag. Like that. What we're showing today is I have got myself a nice thrift store find. Today we have a Nokia hi8 video camera. I've never seen that before. This is a Nokia hi8-130 video camera recorder. Never seen one of these devices before. Nokia cameras. The microphone is a bit off, but it's a pretty nice find though. Never seen one of them before. Yeah, it's a Nokia. No tape in it, but it is a nice find. Got it for €1 from the thrift store. And yeah, awesome video camera. Yeah, nice thrift store find. Hope you enjoyed, and yeah, see you again. Bye.